Hey crocheters! The last few days I have been looking at this Crochet in a Day by Angie Bivens, creator of Whistle and Wool. She has 18 easy patterns for cute sweaters, cozy blankets, stylish scarves, and more. Crochet can take up a lot of time, especially if you want to do like a bigger project. So what I like about this book is that she actually tells you how long this project took her, like approximate and based on size. If it's a wearable, she gives several sizes, and she says, so this pattern should take anywhere between 4 to 8 hours, depending on if you're making a small, medium, large, extra large. She actually has some plus size options as well, which I think is so cool. And I even experimented last night a little bit. She had a dishcloth in there using the Suzette stitch, which I have never done before, and it was actually really simple. She explained it really clearly, and it took me about 45 minutes to use this new stitch making a dishcloth, and I even added a little handle. So I think it turned out really cute. This is a Bernat 100% cotton. The color is really gorgeous. I've actually used this yarn to make other dishcloths. However, I think that this yarn looks the best with this stitch so far. I've done the lemon peel stitch and the moss peel stitch with these, and I'll show you those if I can find them. However, this Suzette stitch is so cute, and it really is definitely probably the nicest dishcloth I've made so far. And I'll chalk it up to her adorable, awesome pattern. And so it's a Suzette stitch, and then she's got a half double crochet border, and then I just added a little so you could hang it. But I thought that was really fun to time myself. So I'm thinking about doing some more of her patterns and seeing how long they take me to make. I've been looking at my yarn stash to see if I have anything or that I can use. A lot of the patterns in her book use bulky or even some super bulky yarn. So if you have a stash of that anywhere, if you have a collection in your stash, you may want to check out these patterns. The amazing thing about crochet is that you can take the time out of your day to do something that you want to do. You don't have to go anywhere. It's nothing elaborate. Doesn't cost a whole lot, just some yarn. So in my quest to find some free patterns, I actually downloaded a sample on Amazon. It was a Kindle sample, and the whole entire pattern was there, and so I worked it up real quick. There was this Afghan, and it looks like it's making ice cream sandwiches. It's a 3D granny square. I haven't woven in my ends yet. I just made this last night. So it's like this. How stinking cute is that? So you can make a whole Afghan like this, and it brought back some really good memories. When I was a kid, my dad and I used to stop at the gas station and get ice cream sandwiches, and when I first saw it, I was like, oh, it's an ice cream sandwich. It's an ice cream sandwich. But I don't know, it's kind of more like an Oreo, but I thought about maybe, I don't know, I might make some more. It was just really fun to work up, and since it like kind of brought me that good memory, I wanted to at least make one, and so I might make some more. I have a bunch of these colors of yarn already, and I think it's really gorgeous colors. Anyway, I saw, Stylecraft released their colors of the year, and they're like a mocha and brown and cafe colors. Oh, I just love them. I just love them. And so that made me really happy because I really gravitate towards all of those, but I don't want to like bore you guys with like brown yarn. But it's in, I tell you. It's so in. Look how cute this is. Just a little bit of brown yarn and you get an ice cream sandwich. Don't you just want an ice cream sandwich now? Sorry. I'm drinking my 0-calorie peach strawberry LaCroix, and it's delicious. And here comes Mel. She's sitting on the windowsill next to me. I'll show you. I'm going to show you right here what she's doing. Lily. Hey, Mel. Pretty kitty. Oh, here comes Moto. Moto. Anyway, you get the idea. So my 90s pattern roundup video is actually getting some views, which I'm really excited about. I'm just starting this channel. I just started really posting about a month ago, trying to be like consistent and come up with some good ideas. I have like constant ideas about crochet and nonstop, and like if I were to try to do them all, I wouldn't be able to keep up. It's like patterns, you know? It's like we want to make them all, but there's really not enough time. And so I need to prioritize and decide what is worth the time and what you would like. And of course, oh, I thought of something else I wanted to talk to you about. Have you ever heard of, is it the Magic Yarn Project? The Magic Yarn Project? This is when people make like actual wigs for children who have lost their hair for because they're going through chemotherapy. And people make such beautiful, like Rapunzel looking, like gorgeous, fun, and creative wigs for them out of yarn. And it's so sweet. And I just thought, what a purposeful way to use up some yarn and to do something for somebody who will cherish it. And there's some videos on their website and on YouTube. I'm going to put some links, and if you want to just check those out, I just thought that was a really good idea. And I was trying to share with you the Knitted Knockers. Knitted Knockers is an organization that connects volunteer crocheters and knitters with free patterns and recommended yarns. Actually, they need to be approved yarns. And you send in the breast prosthesis for women who have undergone a mastectomy or lumpectomy, and they're able to receive these free prosthetics that are made by the volunteers. You don't stuff them. Knitted Knockers does that for you. You just mail them in. And all of this information can be found on knittedknockers.org. And I know that we love pattern roundups. There's so many online. And I think having free options is awesome. I have found a few really good free pattern lists lately. One of them was from Okie Girl Bling and Things, and I will put a link below, but it is all of her cotton, a list of cotton patterns, and they're all free. It looks like she put in a lot of effort into this pattern roundup, so I would highly check this out. There's wearables, bags, kitchen goods, home decor, a lot of quick wins. There's probably some options for gifts in here as well. And then another one came out, and it's a collection of Easter patterns that they're giving away for free, so I'll put a link for that as well. I thought that was really cute. If you are into making any Easter patterns, I did do a tutorial on my Easter basket. It's pretty small, but it's really cute. It doesn't take very long, and I'll put a link for that as well. If you happen to make that, please let me know how it turned out for you. Yeah, Easter's just around the corner, and I have big plans to make a bunch of stuff, but I have been doing some spring cleaning. I was thinking about maybe taking a week and getting a lot of my spring cleaning done. I actually started doing my windows because it's been really gray lately, and I just thought I don't want any ounce of sunshine blocked. I don't even want any specks of dirt on my windows. I want all that sun coming in as much as I can get. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing my yard work. I'm really into doing my own pruning and landscaping and mowing, and I'm looking forward to that. It's really easy to get caught up with crochet in the wintertime. I love it so much, but unfortunately it can be very sedentary, and it's really important to get that movement. So I've been trying to focus on that. I actually got a Fitbit, which is the first time I've ever consistently worn like anything like that, just to see like what kind of steps I'm getting. And it's been raining a lot, and I've been inside a lot, so I decided that I really need to focus on stepping it up. Went for a little walk and trying to go for a little walk every day, and then on top of that, see what else I can do. Here are a few pictures I've been collecting of some spring flowers I've been seeing, not just in my yard, but as I'm out and about. I've just been collecting these hellebore flowers, so I just thought it would be fun to share these with you. Also, I did crochet a poppy granny square bag, and I made a tutorial for that. If you're interested in making something like this, go ahead and check this out. Thanks for hanging out with me. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, and leave me comments in down below and let me know what you thought of this video.